Hi, everyone. How are you? In this video I will tell you about myself. You will learn a lot of things from me. My name is Walnut. My scientific name is Juglans regia. I belong to the Juglandaceae family. I'm like a treasure chest. I have a tough, woody shell that keeps my tasty seeds safe inside. Around that shell, there's a green, fleshy covering. As I grow up, that covering splits open, and you get to the yummy part, the seed. I can grow really tall, up to 25 meters, which is 80 feet or even more. My branches spread out wide, making a big canopy. My trees typically have both male and female flowers. The male flowers produce pollen in hanging clusters, while the female flowers have a special structure, called the stigma, to catch the pollen. Pollination can occur through the wind or with the assistance of insects, which helps transfer the pollen to the female flowers, ensuring genetic diversity in the resulting walnut seeds. As spring arrives, the fertilized female flowers develop into nuts. To grow a walnut tree, select a sunny location. Plant a walnut seed or sapling in well-drained soil. Water regularly, and provide proper care to protect against pests and diseases. Prune as needed. A walnut tree typically produces walnuts once a year during its fruiting season, which usually occurs in the late summer or early fall. It takes around 4 to 7 years, or longer, for a walnut seedling to produce fruit, depending on factors like growing conditions and tree variety. My wood, with deep brown color and smooth grain, is often used in making furniture and flooring. My walnut trees often get sick from walnut blight and root rot diseases. China and United States are the top producers of walnuts. The walnut Juglans spp is the common name, given to about 20 species of trees in my family. There are 2 common species of walnuts. English walnuts, Juglans regia, English walnut also known as Persian walnut, common walnut, Carpathian walnut and Madeira nut, are native to the regions of Central Asia and have been cultivated for thousands of years. The English walnut tree produces a thin-shelled nut with a light-colored kernel inside. English walnuts have a mild, sweet flavor that makes them a popular choice for snacking and used in various culinary dishes, such as baking and salads. Black walnuts, Juglans nigra. Black walnuts are native to North America, primarily in the eastern United States. They have been used by indigenous peoples for centuries. Black walnuts are known for their thick, hard shells that are difficult to crack. The nut meat inside is darker in color, compared to English walnuts. Black walnuts have a strong, robust flavor that is earthy and somewhat tangy. This distinctive flavor makes them a favorite for baking, particularly in recipes like black walnut pie, and are often used in baked goods like cookies, brownies, and ice cream. Some other species are white walnut, Juglans cinerea. White walnuts, also known as butternuts, are medium-sized trees that produce round, wrinkled nuts with a thick, hard shell. The nuts are smaller and more elongated than the common black walnut. The nut meat has a sweet and buttery flavor. Kashmiri walnut. Kashmiri walnuts are renowned for their exceptional quality and flavor. Grown in the pristine Himalayan region of Kashmir, these walnuts are prized for their large size, rich taste, and nutritional value, making them a sought-after delicacy worldwide. Japanese walnut, Juglans aellantifolia. Japanese walnut, also known as heartnut due to its unique heart-shaped nut. Japanese walnuts have a mild, slightly sweet flavor, similar to English walnuts. Andean walnut, Juglans neotropica. Andean walnut trees are found in the high-altitude regions of South America. The nut meat of Andean walnuts has a mild, buttery flavor and is highly prized for its taste and nutritional value. I'm packed with healthy nutrients like omega-3s, vitamin E, B vitamins, magnesium, antioxidants, fiber, protein, and plant goodness. I'm rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. My omega-3s support cognitive function and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. I'm packed with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and inflammation. My fiber and protein content helps control appetite and promotes weight management. I assist in regulating blood sugar levels due to my low glycemic index. My fiber aids in digestion and prevents constipation. Some studies suggest I could reduce the risk of certain cancers, including breast and prostate cancer. I contain minerals like calcium and magnesium, essential for strong bones. My omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants contribute to healthy skin by reducing inflammation and promoting elasticity. The nutrients in me support hair growth and reduce hair fall. I contain antioxidants like vitamin E and zinc, which help protect against age-related eye conditions. I provide essential nutrients for fetal development, including folic acid and omega-3s. Remember, while I'm nutritious, moderation is key due to my calorie content. My oil is a flavorful and versatile culinary oil with a nutty aroma, commonly used in salads and as a finishing oil for various dishes. The Greeks called walnuts carrion meaning head because the shell looks like a skull and the inside looks like a brain. My trees produce juglone, a chemical compound that can inhibit the growth of many other plants. This phenomenon is known as allelopathy. I also contain protein, which is important for your growth and maintenance. You can eat me raw, cooked, and in various other ways. I am a versatile walnut and can be used in both sweet and savory dishes. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share it.